Here I have VIVO S1 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources for apps on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then enter apps and notifications section, scroll down, then go to the special app access, and here you have to go to the install unknown apps. And here you have all of these apps which you can grant access for installation from the unknown apps. Let's select, for example, Google Chrome, and now you can install unknown apps from this browser. We can do the same thing, for example, for Google Drive or Gmail. Your choice. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.